Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox 3 items that I recently purchased that I'm so excited to open and show you. They are all fun, colorful, and sparkly. I think you're gonna love them. I try not to overspend and overshop. I try to be very curated and intentional with what I purchase. So these are 3 special items that I have picked up recently, and I thought you guys might find them interesting. One of these items is a pair of slide from Takashi Murakami's brand Ohana Hatake. Sorry for mispronouncing that, but you're gonna wanna stay and see them because they are a really cool colorway. I've got 2 pairs of shoes here and 1 apparel item. This is the apparel item. It is from Supreme's Spring Summer 2025 collection. I love Supreme. Every time the lookbook comes out, I will pick out just a couple of my favorite items that I want to try to get, and then I always end up not getting them because I actually suck at Supreme releases. So then I have to wait and determine if I want to buy the item resale, you know, pay $50 to $100 over retail. Sometimes more. I gotta like weigh out the cost, but this item I absolutely loved. It was so me. I had to get it. It's sparkly. I can't wait to show it to you guys. All right, so I had to pay resale for this item, which is unfortunate. Oh, I just cut the bag. I think I paid around $100 over retail for this. And I went for a size extra large, even though I probably could have gotten a large, but the extra large was cheaper. So that is why I ended up getting that size, and I hope that I don't regret it. Otherwise, I was thinking I could just resell it and go for the large. But check out this Supreme hockey jersey from Spring Summer 2025. I got this from StockX. Look at the detail on the captain's patch there. It's 3-dimensional. It's got the number 25. It's 2025 season on the arm there with the sparkles. Look at the full logo on the front here, which is like a panther. It has all the rhinestones. And then you've got patches and stickers down here. This is all like a 3-dimensional sticker. It's substantial. I'll mention why I'm, calling that out at the end. There you go. There's patches and stickers throughout. Look at the back. So it says Supreme up top. The full 25 on the back is also in rhinestones. And again, it has the patches from top to bottom. I am obsessed with this thing. This is so cool. So if you guys saw the Murakami Cherry Blossom with the Dodgers release, it was really cute. And I am not a Dodgers or a baseball fan in general, but I like streetwear style, so I like wearing jerseys in just everyday life. I could not get my hands on that jersey. The resale prices on the jerseys, which I didn't want the t-shirt, I wanted the jersey. I love baseball jerseys. It was insane. I think it was like $500 and something. So I was weighing the difference between that and this. I think resale was around $350 or maybe even less. The quality difference in this versus that Murakami LA Dodgers baseball jersey, they're just worlds apart. Like, this has actual patches with actual embroidery, whereas the Murakami jersey just had the more screen printed or iron-on looking stickers on them. It just did not look high quality. Even the embroidery on the side, it was very thin and half-ass and not thick. The quality difference between these two, that jersey just wasn't worth the $500 resale price tag, which is why I ended up picking this one up. And it's so cute. And I do mean for this to be oversized. It does look pretty big. I'm going to have to try it on. I am worried about the sizing, if I should have gone for the large. So I will try it on and see. But I just was really impressed with the quality, the fact that it's pink, obviously, and I love crystals. So I picked this up from Supreme Spring Summer 2025. Also, it's gonna look really cute with my cherry blossom bag. So I have the Simone Rocha Crocs. They are like my favorite Crocs of all time. I absolutely love them. If you are not a Croc person, you can still make any outfit look cool with these Crocs, in my opinion. Let me grab them. So these were from the original collection, the original release. I actually lucked out and got these on the Crocs website when they released. You can see the pearls, the jewels, this strap, and then I love off the back. I wore these on a girls trip last summer, literally every day. I just like made every outfit work with these. I freaking love them. The second Simone Rocha Crocs release, I was not able to get anything. I've been wanting to get like the heel style just to have a pair because they look comfortable. And I just love the clunkiness mixed with the embellishments. You know, I just love big embellishments, but I was not able to get anything from the second release. This third release was a lot easier to get, and I had to get this pair. I posted it on my stories. If you follow me on Instagram, check me out. If not, I was so ready this time around because I didn't know the release time for the second one, and I was so mad when I didn't get one. So I was all over it for this release. Look at this box. Oh my God, I can't wait to see these. Check out the Simone Rocha Crocs box, metallic. I can't keep packaging, but I find it so hard to throw it away because it's so nice. Okay, you got the Simone Rocha tissue paper. Okay, you guys, these are crazy. Holy, oh my God, these are huge. I have huge feet. I'm interested to see what these are gonna look like on my feet. They are the hot pink Stomp fishermen. So it's kind of like, I don't know, you know, like when you were a little girl and you wore a style like this. It's called the Stomp fisherman. I love the hot pink with the red. I don't know if you guys have noticed that like some of my Rachel Went Shopping logos and stuff, I always mix pink and red. I love the combination of pink and red and pink and orange. There's something just like fun and maximalist about that color combination, but I love pink and red. And when I saw these, the hot pink with the red, I just had to have them. These are going to be hard to pull off. So I'm going to have to brainstorm. This is one of those things that I didn't plan 5 outfits before I purchased them. I'm going to have to brainstorm some looks and come back to you, but I can't pass up my favorite color. So I had to have these. Oh, and I definitely needed this size. I could not have gone any smaller. Oh my God, they're so cute. I wish I could show you these. Oh my God. So I have wide feet and this is the perfect size. My husband is going to make so much fun of me in these. Okay, these are crazy, but I'm totally keeping them. I'll put the price on the screen. I know that they were like not cheap, but they weren't crazy. I think maybe 200 or something, not into the 300s. Actually, could I wear these with that Supreme jersey? Here is the pair. Oh my God. They're so fun. I wore my other ones quite a bit and I had no issues with any of the embellishments coming off. I am very careful though. When you have embellishments on an inside of a shoe like this, you are always at risk of them catching like this or scraping each other or tripping and dying. So usually they don't put a ton of embellishments on the inside of the shoe. Like I remember with the Christian Louboutin like spiky shoes, because they're on the inside too, you always have to be careful not to catch them on the inside. So that's something you want to be careful of when there's embellishments on the inside there. Anyways, tell me what you guys think of these crazy shoes in the comments. I love them. All right, last but certainly not least, we have the slides from Takashi Murakami's Ohana Hatake. And this is my first pair. I have not seen these yet in person. They have a very unique box. I'm a women's, between a women's 11 and 12. I'm usually a men's 9.5. I sized up because I'm a half size. I sized up, which I always do for slides because I don't want my heel hanging off the back. I got a men's 10, which is in a women's 11.5. It's a very cool box. You have to slice it down the middle here like this. And then it opens like this. And you've got the flower, smiling flower in the middle. This is my first pair, and then each shoe is in each side. So on this side, look at the color I got. It is the Cherry Blossom Colorway, which has 2 shades of pink. I am obsessed with this color. Let me get both of them out. Oh my God. Oh, there you go. Let me try them on. I wish I could show you, but honestly, I have ugly feet. Oh, okay. They fit perfectly. Definitely go up that half size if you're in between sizes. Oh my God, I can't wait to show my son. He's gonna die. Okay, they're super comfortable and super cute, you guys. I will have to wear them for a longer period of time and report back, but they're very bouncy. They're very stiff. They're not bending a ton, but there is a ton, like any of these slides, even like the Yeezy slides, they're very comfortable because there's so much cushion here. The way, I don't know if you can see under there, the way the flower is attached, there's like a hard plastic part there. I'm curious if that will dig into my foot at all. Also, slides it is acceptable to wear these with, especially with like cute pink socks. I have some pink tie-dye socks that I think would look cute with these, but I'm curious over time if that might dig in. It looks that it's like in there enough that it shouldn't touch your foot, but we'll have to wait and see. So again, you've got 2 shades of pink, the darker on the flower, the lighter on the sole. This is what the bottom looks like. You've got the Takashi Murakami Kai Kai Kiki collective there. And then on the inside, oh, these are made in the USA. Size 10. There you have it. I'm so excited that I got these. This is my, I'm trying to think of like what other color I would want. Maybe like the hot pink, but I think this is actually the perfect colorway for me. I actually love the contrast of the 2. I do wish that they would do a black sole with the full colorful flower. I mean, I guess that would be a little crazy, but yeah. These are 3 items that I've recently picked up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you like seeing these random unboxings or if you are completely uninterested, I do buy random things from time to time. Again, I try to be intentional and not overspend, but this is called Rachel Went Shopping because I shop a lot. But I am, you know, putting together a curated collection of things that hopefully will stay in my wardrobe forever. So if that is interesting to you, then please consider subscribing to my channel and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I always love reading your guys' feedback. So I appreciate you being here and I appreciate you watching till the end. If you watch this video to the end, throw a cherry blossom emoji in the comments. Hope you are having a wonderful day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.